Hi guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're going to look at fuel additives. You know, the type you pour in your fuel tank. Particularly if you have an old diesel car, or for that matter any diesel car. You can also get additives that work on any petrol engine car, particularly big V8s like this. Some additives even make your petrol lawnmower run better. So they say to put the additive on a fairly full tank, at least 3/4 of a tank. So I'm going to have to go and fill up. Nothing like indicating, is there? So I've just arrived at my favourite shop, and not Benson's for beds, Halford's, well, one of my favourite shops anyway. Let's go inside and see if we've got what I need. Let's go. So I've gone for the Total Action Diesel Cleaner, which cleans your fuel injectors and it improves performance, economy and reduces emissions. So let's put it to the test and see if it reduces all the black soot that you saw earlier coming out the exhaust pipe. I also I'm going to go back again because there's a noise reduction one which I want to test, and I've got a noise decibel meter, so I'm going to sort of take a reading of what the engine normally does when it's idling, and then after I've put the product in, and then after I've run round in a week, because I think that's only fair to give it a sort of a week's trial, letting the solution work and do its magic on the engine. I have used the Wynns products before, especially on injectors, and I really wish I found it earlier, because I had a 2011 Volkswagen Caddy van, and they're notorious for poorly manufactured injectors always failing, and I had 4 of them fail on me, which cost me £1,200, because they're not cheap to buy Volkswagen genuine parts. But I do wonder, had I found this product before and tried that and gave them a good flushing out and cleaning, whether that would have saved me £1,200, but who knows, because they are notoriously bad. But I mean, you have to use a garage you really trust, because who's to say they're not just doing that? Because a lot of people don't ask to see the parts they've taken out of the car, and a lot of people won't even know what half the parts are. They could just be shown anything and said, well, this is your old part. But yeah, it's more unscrupulous garages could just do an engine flush and put some additive in, and the injector is fine, it just clogs up, which is what happens with this, because I do quite a low mileage, and it just gets clogged up because old diesel engine. But I find this injector cleaner additive, it works a treat, and it does improve my fuel economy and performance. I haven't measured what rubbish is coming out the back, and that's going to be our little test on this video, along with the other additive which reduces noise and vibration. And I just want to see whether see what it measures on the decibel meter. And it's another lovely day, 21 degrees. So as you can see, I've almost got a full tank. I didn't want to go right to full because I want to leave a bit of room to put the additive in the tank, but that's enough. What they recommend to adding it to a full tank. So, will it work? We'll see. I'm going to add it to the tank, and I'm going to run around for a bit, because it won't be a fair test if I just test the emissions straight away. So I'm going to give it at least 3-4 days for it to work, and then we'll see what's churning out of the back. Will it be a thumbs up, or will it be a thumbs down? But as I say, I've used the injector cleaner version of this before, and it's brilliant on cleaning your injectors. And this one says it cleans fuel injectors and fuel system. So there we go. Can you read that? Is it in focus? Reduces exhaust emissions. Let's see, hey.
Later. 1 week later.
Okay guys, so I've been running around in the car for a week with this Total Action Cleaner additive added to the fuel tank. So let's see whether the emissions coming out of the exhaust pipe is any better than the before shot. So we're going to compare the before and after. So let's see if it works. So guys, comparing the before and after footage, I would say there is a slight reduction in the density of the smoke that's coming out, and that's after 1 week of running around and only using half a tank, and this was added to a full tank. So what I'm going to do is use the full tank and then film that again to see if it's even better, but I'm going to add that to another video. And the follow-up video to this, I'm going to refill on the full tank again, and I'm going to buy the Wynns noise reduction additive, which I've got this little decibel meter, so I'm going to measure the ambient noise, the noise on idle, and then the noise again after running around for a week using the additive, and let's compare them results to see if that additive works. But so far I think it's marginally better, but I'm going to come back to you in the next video, so please like and subscribe and look out for the next video where I give you a follow-up video for this and try out the noise reducer additive. So hope you enjoyed the video. Again, like and subscribe, because I need to grow this channel. We're only a tiny channel, so it'll really help me out if you could subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care now.